7 days, 7 taste Kuzhambu mix. I've chosen to make Mor Kuzhambu from this pack today. As per the instructions, I'm putting in about 4 or 5 spoons Mor Kuzhambu mix in a bowl. Next, I'm adding some sour curds to mix. I've boiled 2 potatoes with salt, and I'm now dropping this mix of the Mor Kuzhambu powder and sour curds into it. I'm adjusting the water, bringing it to boil. And just like that, in less than 2 minutes, the Mor Kuzhambu is ready. For those who don't know, Kuzhambu is a kind of sambar, and this is the potato Mor Kuzhambu. Mor is actually a thin buttermilk. So Mor Kuzhambu is buttermilk sambar and goes very well with some steamed rice. And now taste test. This is so instant and yet doesn't taste like it at all. So effortless, it's so tasty. You can't smell any preservative, nothing. It's like having been made fresh. Just